This initial solution will show you how to place an ads on Facebook. Open Facebook and click on this menu icon and click on add, create new ad. I accept, and here you have to select your ad goal. So I'm gonna clicking on change, and you can select a goal from here. You can get more calls, get more website visitors, get more message, get more page likes. So I'm gonna selecting my goal, get more page likes, and put here your ad description. Now you can change the ad thumbnail or post photo from here. So I'm gonna selecting a random photo here, and here you get the ad preview. Now scroll down, you can change the button level, and now you have to customize your audience section. So click on this pencil icon. Now you can select your audience gender from here. I'm gonna selecting all gender, and you can change the age. You can select here your audience location, and then click on save audience, and select here your ad duration. I'm selecting at 3 days, and give here your ad budget. And now all you have to need, just click on promote now. Select here your location, currency, next. And now you have to add your payment option here and click on next. And it's time to put your payment information, your credit card, credit number. So then click on save, and that's how you'll be able to place an ad on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.